Donkey Kong. Oh, what the heck was that? It's an ocean parrot attack from pt.2. Holy crap! What's that? It's an ocean parrot. Come on, everybody. We need to get to safety. We got hit by an ocean parrot attack. Oh, we need to get to safety. Ocean parrots are very dangerous. They're trying to steal the cow. Donkey Kong, what idea do you have?
Got in my back.
What's the point of that? We just came back to their territory. So, I know what to do. Go up that catapult I went last time in. But how did I get like that? I don't know. Hey, you're the one behind all this stuff last time. Who are you?
Darn it. I'm baby Kermit.
Baby Kermit? You're just a baby. How do you know all this stuff? You know how we can get rid of those ocean parrots?
Ocean parrots? I don't know.
You don't know anything. You're a baby.
That's why I'm called baby Kermit.
Oh, get the catapult. Come on. We need to get as far away from here. Ready? Oh. Are you ready, Donkey Kong?
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Oh. 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 Donkey Kong! Oh.